Hello and welcome. Let's begin by finding a quiet spot just for you. Find a comfortable way to sit, either on a chair or a cushion on the floor. We're going to sit like a great mountain, strong and still. Let your back be long and tall, but with a softness like grass swaying in a gentle breeze. There's no need to be rigid. Feel the ground or your chair beneath you holding you, keeping you safe and steady. You are supported. Gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, just let your gaze become soft, looking at a spot on the floor in front of you. As you settle in, begin to notice the little clouds of your day floating by. Your thoughts, your worries, and your plans might be zipping and zooming around like busy bees. That is perfectly okay. Don't try to stop them. For just a moment, simply watch them. Now let's find something quiet and steady to rest our attention on. Your own breath. It's always with you, a gentle rhythm, a quiet song. You don't need to do anything to it. Don't try to change it. Just feel the sensation of your own breathing, in and out, like a soft wave washing over you. Oh, look. A little cloud of thought might have drifted in. Perhaps it's whispering, "What's for dinner?" Or "Did I remember to send that email?" See the cloud, just notice it. You can say to it in your mind, "Hello, little cloud." You don't need to follow the cloud. You don't need to push it away, and it's not your job to hold on to it. Your only job is to be the mountain. So, just let the cloud be. Watch as it gently, softly, begins to float on by. Let it go. And now gently come back to that quiet, steady rhythm. Your breath, in and out. Feel the air as it enters your body and feel it as it leaves. You are here. You are breathing. Each breath is a little different. Some might be deep and some might be shallow. You don't need to do anything at all. Just be the mountain, watching the tide of your own breath as it rises and falls. Feel the strength of the mountain beneath you. The chair, the cushion, the floor, they are all holding you. You can let go of holding yourself up so tightly. Let yourself be supported. There is nothing else to do. With every breath in, you are arriving right here in this moment. With every breath out, you are letting go. Inhale, you are here. Exhale, you are now. Each breath is a new beginning. For the rest of your time here, just sit, just be. Be the mountain, strong and calm. Watch the clouds of thought as they come and go, and always gently come back to the quiet song of your breath.